Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with latest updates. I am here today going to show you how we can fix the aircon temperature controller. It's very simple and easy. The temperature controller means you can control by yourself aircon temperature high and low. So it's very simple and easy to fix. Even you have digital controller, even you have the manual controller. It's all the connections are same. So before you install the any temperature controller, you need to identify the cables. Identification is you can get there in the motor or dynamo or what blower or you whatever you have. You can identify there the high, medium and low. So it's identification by the color code yellow, red or blue or black or whatever. It's depend on the country color code. So if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest updates. And let's go to the our topics and then we see how we can easily fix aircon temperature controller by ourselves. This one is a digital aircon temperature controller new. So I open the plastic as you can see. So here is written also the connections. It's very simple and easy. You can see the low line in, then high, medium, low, on, off, neutral. All here is written. So it's very simple and easy. You can fix by yourself. So first of all, we need to identify the cables from the blower or motor. What cable the high, what cable low. So let's go the motor and check the high, medium, low cables and then continue fix. So as you can see, this one is blower aircon. So this one is motor. As you can see the clearly the cables color code red, blue and yellow. So this one is speed. Okay, so you can see here the color code. Okay, so we go down and then the connections. Okay friends, so now I identify the cable. As you see already the motor. So this one is high, this one is mid, this one is low. Already see the cables depend on the motor. So this one is high, the blue is low or medium, then red is low. So we are going to fix the controller also same. And this one is main incoming neutral, this one is live, then this one is grounding. So these three cable, the as usual the normal incoming, then this one going to the motor. So we fix the controller friends. So we follow this one is line incoming, high, mid, low, then neutral. So we follow the same. So this one is incoming we give first. Then we fix the high is yellow. All the temperature controller is same connection, the three cable come from the motor. Okay. Now second is medium. Then third is low. then this one is neutral. Okay friends, so hope you understand already the connection. This one is main incoming, these three is controller, the high, mid, low and then neutral. So hope you understand already the connections. Now we close and then check the temperature. Okay friends, so we on already. I show you. You can see this one auto, high, mid, low. Okay friends, so hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates, and if you have any question, comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the latest updates. Thank you.